So I was driving around with my abandoned mine cart until I stumbled across my James junkyard. The James junkyard filled with tons of my old stuff, the old cars, the old junks. So yeah, and then you guys all probably know the James junkyard from the Rainbow Chopper Saver Scrap. And the Rainbow Chopper Saver Scrap. This time, we're gonna save another lawnmower. And that one in particular. So, what I have to do is just move this lawnmower. Now we're ready to go. You can get this thing out. This thing has been sitting for decades. I have no idea. That one video was just an old video, edited from like a few months ago, to be honest. So, yeah. We got gas in here. Yeah, we do. Probably very old gas. Years ago. Well, it's hot for some reason. What happened? I'm gonna try to start it. See if we can get it running. See if we can get her running. See if we can get this girl running. Come on. Oh, she wants to badly. Probably. Come on. Nah. It ain't gonna start. What we gotta do, maybe, just fix our pull-over. We got our little thing. Maybe we gotta do this to our pull shaft. Alright, the magic wrench fixed everything. Now, we gotta start her. Try to start this guy. Try to start this girl. See if we can get her running. Come on. Oh, she wants it. She wants to bad. Turn that off. That is it. That's a lot of smoke. It's a lot of dirt. A lot of dust. Oh my gosh. She runs! First pull. Well, I guess second pull, but I'm gonna try to get her to mow a little bit of my lawn. It's my lawn. Right here, guys. There's a bunch of very thick lawn. Very thick grass. Now, let's see if this thing can tear through all the grass. Oh, guys, if you're wondering what this lawnmower's name is, I named it the Devil. This thing is a devil, so we're gonna start the devil. Alright, let's see if we can get the devil running. Well, it seems like the devil has a few problems, but it's fine. First pull. if I can fix the engine. No! We were so close! Okay, come on, engine. You gotta move. Yo, it's running. Smoke from earlier was not engine damage. It was because the dirt and the saw blade was blowing air, but I'll show you the smoke. Yeah! Pointing it at you! You specifically, because I don't even know why. It's very loud. Oh, the Segway's still on. There we go. Give me this thing. There's a bunch of grass. Very thick grass. Look at that stick. right through it. Didn't even touch it! Didn't even touch it at all! Are you serious? Maybe I have to reposition it. Yeah! That's definitely getting shredded. Bye-bye, stick. It was... Yo! What happened? Oh. It shredded the stick. It shredded the stick. Does this thing even still turn on though? Let's see. Just kidding! I'm actually gonna give it a break. After this one Alright, let's actually give it a break. I can't stop! Wow, that dust was great. Put her back. Just leaves it bad way. I'm done. On my life, I'm actually done. Nope, I'm kidding.